Hey, so today we're talking about how to adjust your face mask with elastic earpieces. You may have gotten Rustico's or another brand. The first method we're going to talk about today is adjusting with a bobby pin. So that's a no cut, no sew. You do have to have hair to do it. So what I'm going to do is put on the mask, and it's actually easiest to do this method in front of a mirror. And then I'm just going to fasten, only one side doesn't fit me that well, so I'm just going to fasten that side with a bobby pin to my hair. So I'll show you how that goes. Now it fits much better. Okay, so the next method is going to be a sewing one. You can do it either with a needle and thread or a sewing machine. And so I'm going to first put it on and then take a measurement and then make the stitch. So put it on here. You can see it's loose by about this much. So I'm just going to take that. And now I have a pretty exact measurement of how much I need to sew it. And then I'm just going to tack it. I knotted my thread in the back so I wouldn't pull it through. And you'd probably be good going over it twice. You could do more if you wanted it to be extra secure. And then after you've stitched it, you can just tie a knot. And you could cut the excess off, or you could just leave it. I would probably leave it. And there's a knot. Okay, so this next method is if your elastic is super loose. So what you're going to do is loop it like that and then pull one of the sides through the loop. And this creates a little adjustable knot, so you can slide it up. And then you have a little loop. And then to undo it, you just pull the opposite side and it undoes. Okay, so those are all the methods that you can use to make your mask elastic smaller. But say you get this and it's too tight, so it kind of pulls on your ears. This is a knit elastic. The Rustico masks, other masks may use other elastics. But one thing you can do with knit elastic is just pull on it. And so you can do this a few times and then try it on and see if it fits a little better, and then go back to stretching it. Another method to stretch it out is just to put it over a surface that stretches it and leave it for a little bit of time. I would start with like 10 to 20 minutes and then put it back on, and then put it back on the surface that's stretching it out if it's still too tight.